We're here, we made it. It's hot as fuck, dude. It's so hot out here.
Y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move. Give me some room, give me some room. Give me the juice. How about the coupe? How about the coupe? How about the shoot? Y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move. Give me the juice.
So we have a very interesting crew together today. In the back seat right behind me is Mr. Opinionated Ass himself. That's me. Dan Corgonius, and then look who's to the left of me. You might shit your pants.
My name is Jeff.
We're going to an abandoned water park halfway to Las Vegas. So it's like 3 hours away. I tried to go to this place like 3 years ago on a little skate trip with some friends, and we couldn't go because they had security and someone bought the property. So hopefully that is not the case because we're going on a 3-hour drive to get there. We stopped at this Trader Joe's on our way out. Dan wants to do a 5-0 kickflip on this bench. Oh, with like the divots. Damn, that's sick, dude.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on...
No skating? All right, we'll leave. No, yeah, we'll leave. We're out. Go. No, yeah, we're out. All right, have a good one. Should we like wait for him to go away?
Yeah.
Bro, what in the fuck?
Try to get a cleaner one.
Yeah, what did you say, Dan? Will you explain the story?
Okay. Dude, I can't say it on camera.
Just don't say their name. Dan has a friend who used to get on once a week for $600. She used to be in the service, but then she quit because someone offered to pay her $600.
Yeah, please subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, please subscribe now. There it is, wet and wild.
Hop me up.
Yeah.
You brought me to this abandoned warehouse.
Okay, we're here, we made it. Wow, this is insane. We're in the fucking desert, it's crazy. But it's hot as fuck, dude. It's so hot out here, and it's bright. I need sunscreen. Hopefully there isn't security. Dude, I can't see anything. My eyes are watering. Thank God I found sunglasses because I can't see out here. The reflection. Anyway, look at this shit. Look at this. This is an abandoned water park. There's supposedly a curved slide that serves as like a curved hubba that you can grind down. Our main objective is to find that slide. Did you grab the wax?
No.
This is exactly what we were looking for. These slides, they're all waxed on the sides, so they serve as hubbas. Dude, it's so weird to try to do it from this side. Oh, your boy's got it. Oh, you stupid anal. Oh my God, I thought that was it. Oh!
Getting in is always hard because you have to talk with them for a long time.
I don't know why, but that 50 was a lot harder than it looks. It's like really weird to get onto. You have this pole that's in the way. It just locks in weird. It's like sliding all over the place because it's like this plexiglass PVC type material. There's no real safe way to lock in. Dude, that was it. Get that shit, bitch.
Oh my God, damn.
Dude, you got it.
Dude, that was awful.
What'd you say, Fabian? Damn, called out by the Euro boy.
John Cusack right here.
That was amazing.
Wasn't that bad of a kickflip, was it?
No, it really wasn't. It really wasn't. That was pretty good. That was pretty good, right?
It was perfect.
I got.
That's gross.
Yeah.
It's really gross. It must be an American thing.
It must be an American. I'm European. It must be an American thing. People still do that? Is that so cool?
Yeah.
Is that so cool?
He says, yeah.
I'm gonna get a fucking sunburn, bitch. It's fucking hot out here. This heat's doing something to me. It's making me feel real good. Am I trying too hard?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, you got
Well-
right here, bitch.
Well,
Fucking bitch.
the sound's far away though.
Get that? Hey, did you record him?
Hey, did you get me saying that? Did you get me saying that?
Yeah. I got everything. Got everything.
There's no saliva in my mouth right now. It's worth it though. Dude, my mouth, my cotton
We
mouth
need
is
water,
sick.
man.
Dude,
Yeah, I can see it on the side of your lip.
There's no
Look
way.
how dry. Look at it. Get that. Is it gone?
That's it. It's not sharp. It's not sharp.
oh god, dude, I can't fucking, I can't breathe. I can't. Your penis feel better after skating today?
It's still fucked. I wish.
Dan hurt his penis the other day sacking this rail.
Link up. If you click right here, it'll.
No, I'm gonna put it in the video. I'm gonna
No,
put
dude,
it.
you gotta now. It's on the video. You gotta click right here. You see right here. You click where my finger is, dude. It'll take you.
No, I'm gonna throw it in the video, dude.
No, dude. You gotta click right here, dude.
God damn it.
It's not gonna work unless you click right here. Listen, audience, if you like, comment, subscribe, click right here. It'll fucking take you to the link. My left testicle was this big.
Was it actually that
It was
big?
actually this big. Like, okay, so it was so swollen that my right testicle was like being pushed under my like thigh.
I forgot my film camera in the car. I know, I'm an idiot, but I don't even care. I'm too tired to even take a photo. I'm just happy I got to skate it. Now we're just exploring and looking around. This looks way cooler from up here. You can see so much more of the park. It's definitely a better view.
Niggas give me the cold shoulder, I can speak for myself. So I keep a hot waist and alligator the belt. Ain't got a belt with the holster. I ain't playing games, but got some little niggas who would do it, so I pass the controller.
Probably aren't the safest thing. Look,
Definitely
there's a
not.
hole right there. It's only plywood that's separating you from the top of up here, from the bottom of the floor downstairs.
Why I was so scared.
It's so sketch.
You're not afraid of heights at all, huh?
No, I prefer heights, dude.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding. But I'm not scared of them. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. We've had our full extent of fun here today. We just took a bunch of pictures. He farted on me in this position. Disgusting. I'm so ready to leave, bro.
The irony of this being a water park. What a great place to have a water park. 'Cause
Do you feel like you're slightly faded?
I feel like gravity is pulling on me extra hard.
We should get water. Let's go. Fabian, I want to personally thank you for driving. Fabian's channel is in the description below. If you guys have not seen Fabian on this channel before, because you might be new here, he makes awesome content. Go check him out. You don't have an Instagram and it's not in the description and it's not Dan_Corrigan_Chud.
Well, I just asked Dale. Well, why do girls always call me daddy? I just don't get it. It turns me on or something. I don't know if that's the American dream of a
Yeah, no,
daddy,
that is the American dream, being called Harder Daddy.
Last time I was here, the girls I met, and like a year ago, all the girls I met, they call me daddy in bed. In bed, they call me daddy.
Because you're the big papa.
Especially the young ones, they call me daddy.
Maybe they're telling you something. Like, hey, you should stop, we're related.
I don't think so. They want it.
You don't know.
Like 2 years ago? Yeah, she was 19, 20.
Okay.
She called me daddy, yeah.
It was 2 years ago, she was like 19. She called me daddy.
Call me daddy.